Hello, I'm Ed Heiser, your Southeast Valley real estate agent, and I'm here this afternoon at Gary and Hunt Highway. You can see right across the street is Walmart, and there's Panda Express. Over there is Freddy's. Jimmy John's is right there. Denny's is there. Behind me is the pad already laid for the new Home Depot. Yes, that's right. Home Depot has owned this lot. It's been paved, as you can see, but it's been fenced off for 20 years. Home Depot has just sat on this lot. There's a lot of pads, obviously tons more rooms than just the Home Depot pad right there in front of me. And this lot has been marked off, and it's just sat here with a fence around it. You can see that fence there off in the distance. So there's all this retail store area that's just sat here for 20 years, and they finally they've decided to build the Home Depot here. It'll be finished by November, and that's for the residents here in SanTanValley. SanTanValley is the largest community in Pinal County. That is without dispute. There's over 120,000 residents here, and we have been wanting retail stores and infrastructure here for a long time, and for some reason a lot of stores and developers are building in the smaller communities surrounding us, like Queen Creek with 56,000, but for just some odd reason, and it might have something to do with you know, we're still unincorporated, so we really don't have anybody coming up the bat for us here in SanTanValley. But Mike Goodman, the county supervisor here of District 2, they hired James Smith. He is now the county economic development manager, and it's his full-time job to bring businesses and services here to communities like Santan, and he's doing an excellent job. And so we're really looking forward to this major development here. Again, if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you aboard. If you're returning, I want to thank you again for stopping by. I constantly put out content like this about developments here and trying to keep you updated and current. And I am always putting out new content and updates like this one. I would love to help you meet your real estate goals. I want to be your source of information, so I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course click that notification bell so you can get notified as I put up new updates and new current information. That's my goal, is to keep you current and up to date and be your resource here in the Southeast Valley. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, until then, I'm just a phone call away.